everybody and you fellow gaming atoms. So today we're doing something a little different. We're doing some Pokemon trading card game online, Pokemon pack openings. I know there's not a lot of people on my channel who really know what this is, but for those people who do, kudos, because we're just going to be opening 28 primal clashy Pokemons just because I got them sometime and I haven't opened them for like freaking ever. So yeah, let's just get started. So far nothing really. Nope, nothing. We did get this, but that's just a common. Nothing so far. And we did get some trainers. And no, nothing good. We did get some other okay cards, I guess. Whoops. So what? Got my pillow. So we got an escape rope, which is decent, and nah. So far we haven't pulled nothing, or we haven't pulled anything good. And we got, oh, dang, okay, I guess we're changing our luck a little bit. We got a full out Kyogre. That's always sweet. And we got Team A's Bicycle, just use. Rip it open. So far we got one full art. Oh, sweet. Repeat boss, sweet. And, oh, wow. Wailord, yes. Oh, that's actually a really good attack. Yeah, I might add that to my water deck. Also, the Fallout Kyogre. Interesting. Interesting. So, next pack. So far we have 2 EXs, which is sweet. And nothing. That's alright. Out of 7 packs, we've pulled 2 EXs, which is pretty good. Next pack. We got another Excadrill. Oh, this one's good too. For my water deck. Next pack. On a bad streak again. I will be doing a couple of Pokemon Let's Plays, or how do you want to call them? Again, kind of meh, rare. We do have 18 more packs after this one. And that's a cool one. Let's crack it open. And we have I think they definitely decreased the EXs and online packs. Cause I remember a while ago when you would get an EX every like 2 packs online. Well, let's say every 3 packs. Oh, sweet, that's a good one. Full art supporter. Teammates. And I'm sorry if you don't really seem excited, but, you know. Just not really in the excited mood, but I'm still doing this. Just so you guys, I'm doing Pokemon just now. So that's what, 3 good cards out of 15 packs. Got like 4 supporters, though. That's pretty good. And a bees drill. Meow, 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 meow. Oh, sweet. Rare candy. I do actually need that card. Ooh, wow. Primal Groudon. Take that any day. So that's 4 good cards out of 18 packs. That's not terrible. That's like every 4.5 packs or something. Excadrill. Got a Nidoqueen and a Sceptile. That's also kind of cool one. Next pack, we got a Bear Bloom. So far, nothing still. Oh, I guess nothing out of that pack, but we have gotten some pretty good decent ones. So we got a Tangrowth and a Asmoril. We did get this though, which is pretty sweet. Shield Energy. 7 more packs, I believe. And we have 1 half pack, which I'll show you guys in a second. Or after we get this pack done. And another full art. Wow, sweet. Shuffle your hand into your deck. Flip a coin. If heads, draw 7. If tails, draw 4. Oh, that's actually pretty good. So, next card. Oh. Alright. Next thing. Never mind. I can't keep doing this for long. Last pack. Poop! People order our patties. Is poop good luck? No. I hate you, poop! Oh, wait, one more. People order our patties. People order our big patties. Poop! 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 I quit. Just go to the store and get 1 more pack. What? That's a lot of coins. I'd rather just get this one. So this is a 5-card booster pack. Let's open it. Thank you guys for watching my Pokemon's openings. So I'll see you guys next time for Pokemon Let's Plays or whatever it is I do is. See you later! Gaming Adam is out of here. Join the Gaming Adams. Come on, you can do it. Yeah.